Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to use Gemini on your Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so Gemini is your AI assistant that currently replaces the Google Assistant. Maybe you know it. In the past it was able to do things like scheduling events in your phone's calendar, saving notes, sending messages, opening apps, checking some things like checking the internet, checking weather. It wasn't really complex, but was good enough. Now Gemini also has all these functionalities, but also has all the functionalities of an LLM, which is large language model, that you can, for example, find on ChatGPT. So if you know ChatGPT, it can generate text using AI, and you can ask it for way more than that, because not only does it search the web, but it also can write text on its own in a completely different way than Google Assistant could. Now you can activate Gemini in 3 different methods. The first one is pressing and holding on the power button. Now you can see that it opens Gemini. Now we're gonna ask it about something. I don't really have an idea. Let's try asking it about what's new on Google Pixel 10.
The Google Pixel 10 features.
Okay, now it went through all of that, and that's what I want to go to get later. So I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah. So this is my response. Of course, I can ask it for more info. I can either ask it by texting or by saying it out loud. There's also a live mode, so it'll speak to you all the time, constantly. And whenever you say something, you can it can just respond to that. So that's also really great. This is the first method of using Gemini. If you don't have it enabled, because you may not have it enabled for the power button to open Gemini, you can go to Settings and go to System, and then go to Gestures, and there's gonna be press and hold power button. Now you can set it to digital assistant. And now it's important that if you set it to power menu, then it shows the power menu, right? If you set it to digital assistant, it opens Gemini. Now, if you want to open power menu when digital assistant is set here, you need to click on 2 buttons at once, power and volume up. Now, let's get to another method, which is Hey Google. I was prompted about it. You saw that pop up. This is what we're gonna get to. It lets you activate Gemini by saying Hey Google out loud without pressing on any buttons. So your phone can sit, I don't know, several feet from you, and you can just say it out loud without holding the phone, without pressing and holding. And to do it, you'll need to press on your profile icon in top right corner, and now you can go to Settings, then go to Google Assistant, Voice Match, and now I'm gonna remove Voice Match so I can reconfigure it. Now let's enable it. Click on More, Agree, More, and now when I click on Agree, I'll need to say 4 phrases out loud to configure Voice Match so it recognizes my voice. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And now you can see it's set up. It wasn't only learning to recognize your voice, but also gave you some examples of what you can ask it. Now, whenever I try to say that phrase, then it'll activate it. So let's try saying something like, for example, hey Google, how to bake a chocolate cake?
To bake a chocolate cake, you'll need ingredients like flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, eggs, milk, oil or butter, vanilla, and often boiling
Okay,
water
but
or coffee.
let's ask it for a more specific recipe. Could you give me a full recipe with all specific ingredients and how long should I cook it for? What's the temperature and stuff like that?
For a classic chocolate cake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. The ingredients typically include 1 3/4
And
cups.
as you can see, it works. Now, there's also a third method which doesn't require you to press and hold or use this phrase. You can just open Gemini app, and you can also do it here. So here, feel free to use it as well. It has some suggestions of what you can ask it. You can also ask it what it can do. And yeah, you can do a lot here. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.